Why don't you come on in and see if we could see this. Yeah, you could speak nice and loud and.
Yeah, sounds good. Are we on right away? Are we on like at the start, or are you gonna?
Yeah, no. You get. I'll just say, good morning, everyone. It is 9:30. It's time for today's announcements, and we have a special announcements from
Global Minds.
Global Minds. There we go.
Hi, George. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Sasha, and we are your Global Minds co-presidents this year.
If you didn't know, Global Minds is a really fun club that bridges ESL and non-ESL students, and we learn a lot about diversity and different cultures.
This year, we're doing a lot of online activities, so you guys can check out our Instagram for more information.
And our Instagram is at Global Minds GSMS.
Yeah.
You can probably find it somewhere on the actual school account if you go there also. So yeah, hopefully you can join Global Minds this year. There will be a Teams account, but that will be after the Instagram is more developed.
All right.
See ya.
Bye, George.
Yes, so those were your two Global Minds co-presidents, basically recruiting for students to join Global Minds, which is a very active organization. So anyways, congratulations to both Rachel and Sasha for helping running this program. All right, now let's head on into badminton. Now, badminton tryouts are starting tomorrow. And like I said, all of last week on the school athletic page, there is basically something that helps any student to find out when they have a practice. So they have the calendar of the dates and times of the tryouts and all of that. Now, here's what's really important. Right now, we're still looking for a couple of coaches. Grade 6 and 7 boys. Right now, if you look, you will not see any tryouts. Ask around. You might have a relative that wouldn't mind donating a little bit of time, helping to run the program. So that is something for everybody to keep in mind, that we are looking for 2 coaches, a grade 6 boys and a grade 8 boys coach. So this week, badminton tryouts are, basically happening. Also, last week, we had a Renaissance Teams meeting in the cafeteria, and anybody who's part of Renaissance, you need to know that I do send it out electronically. I do not put it on the announcements anymore, so it's up to you to check the team site and to check your emails. I was supposed to send a message this weekend, but I didn't. However, we did narrow down our movie choices, and yes, it will be a movie as part of the Positive Persons Party. So basically at this point, we've narrowed it down, the movies, we've narrowed down a theme of what the event, the party will look like. We've also narrowed it down to the kinds of foods that we'll have. Yes, we will feed you as part of Positive Persons Party, but what you need to do is continue keeping it positive. For example, today, and I haven't yet to write it on a note, but I noticed a grade 7 student, Emma, bringing another student, guiding a student to the breakfast program this morning, and basically helped guide the student, get the toast, and brought that student back up to their classroom. So Emma, your name will be in that box because of the very positive thing you did. You just basically helped guide a student to the breakfast program. Instead of an EA, basically it was the student that did all of that. So good job to that student. There is a question about when the grade 8 boys tryouts. There is no schedule for the tryouts for grade 8 boys because we don't have a coach yet, which is why we are making a final plea for grade 6 boys and grade 8 boys in terms of a coach. Once we have a coach, then we could schedule the tryouts, okay? So that's really, really important. I don't see any further announcements, so would you please rise for the playing of O Canada?